Introducing the Strata Home by Monoprice Sous Vide Immersion Cooker. Sous vide, in other words, is precision cooking, which has been around for decades. The intent is to cook your food evenly, ensuring the inside is properly cooked every time. Why choose sous vide over traditional cooking? In traditional oven or grilling cooking, there are many different hot and cold spots, which create an uneven cooking surface. Precision cooking creates a consistent cooking environment that will deliver delicious food every time. What comes in the box? Here's what you will receive when you order Strata Home by Monoprice Sous Vide: a sous vide unit and adjustable clamp. And that's it, because it's that simple. Cooking just got a lot easier. Your sous vide has a top digital LED touchscreen. The bright and easy to read LED touchscreen allows you to easily adjust the cooking temperature and time. The sous vide also comes with an adjustable clamp so it can be used with any pot you already own. The one you cook pasta with will work great. The sous vide also has water identification, minimum and maximum lines. The Strata Home by Monoprice Sous Vide is very easy to use. Start by adding water to your pot. Clamp the sous vide to your pot and adjust to make sure it's tightly fastened. Set your temperature and time. Season and prep your food and place it in a sealed bag. Monoprice also offers our Strata Home by Monoprice Vacuum Food Sealer, which helps with the sous vide cooking. Immerse the bag into water. You want to ensure the water fully covers your food, plus a little extra. When you are done cooking, you will notice that cleanup is a breeze. The sous vide sits in a bath of hot water and never comes into direct contact with the food, so cleanup has never been faster. Simply put the stainless steel pump housing and water clamp into a dishwasher, then reassemble the sous vide when parts have dried, and you're ready to cook again. Now you can make restaurant quality meals to treat your friends and family right in your kitchen. Never under or overcook, just perfect every time.